Lord Protector is a title that has been used in British constitutional law for heads of state. It is also a particular title for the British heads of state in respect to the established church. It is sometimes used to render in English other posts of temporary regent, acting for the absent monarchic head of state. Feudal royal regent. The title of the Lord Protector was originally used by royal princes or other nobles exercising an individual regency while the English monarch was still a minor or otherwise unable to rule. Notable cases in England are, John, Duke of Bedford, and Humphrey, Duke of Gloucester, were jointly protectors for Henry VI. Richard Plantagenet, Duke of York, was thrice protector for Henry VI. Richard, Duke of Gloucester, was Lord Protector of the realm during the nominal reign of Edward V before claiming the throne for himself as Richard III. Edward Seymour, Duke of Somerset, was Lord Protector during the early years of the reign of the young Edward VI. And in Scotland, John Stuart, Duke of Albany, was Governor and Protector of the realm for James V of Scotland. James Hamilton, Earl of Arran, was Governor and Protector of the kingdom for Mary, Queen of Scots. Cromwellian Commonwealth. The Lord Protector of the Commonwealth of England, Scotland and Ireland was the title of the head of state during the Commonwealth, following the first period when a Council of State held executive power. The title was held by Oliver Cromwell and his son and designated successor Richard Cromwell during what is now known as the Protectorate. The 1653 instrument of government stated that Oliver Cromwell, Captain General of the Forces of England, Scotland and Ireland, shall be, and is hereby declared to be, Lord Protector of the Commonwealth of England, Scotland and Ireland, and the dominions thereto belonging, for his life. The replacement constitution of 1657, the humble petition and advice, gave His Highness the Lord Protector the power to nominate his successor. Cromwell chose his eldest surviving son, the politically inexperienced Richard. This was a non-representative and de facto dynastic mode of succession, with royal connotations in both styles awarded, even a double invocation December 16, 1653 September 3, 1658 by the grace of God and Republic Lord Protector of England, Scotland and Ireland, and many other monarchic prerogatives, such as awarding knighthoods. The younger Cromwell, who succeeded on his father's death in September 1658, held a position for only 8 months before resigning in May 1659, being followed by a second period of Commonwealth rule until the restoration of the exiled heir to the Stuart throne Charles II in May 1660. Lords Protector, post-Cromwell. Since the Restoration the title has not been used in either of the above manners. George, Prince of Wales, appointed to the Regency in 1811, was referred to as His Royal Highness the Prince Regent. George exercised the powers of the monarchy, just as Lords Protector had, but the title's Republican associations had rendered it distasteful. Protector of the Church, Lord Protector has also been used as a rendering of the Latin advocatus in the sense of a temporal lords who acted as the protector of the interests of the Church. Compare Vidame. References in culture, literature. In George R. R. Martin's A Song of Ice and Fire series of novels, otherwise known as Game of Thrones, Lord Eddard Stark becomes Lord Regent and Protector of the realm after the passing of King Robert Baratheon, until the heir, Prince Joffrey Baratheon had come of age when Stark was executed for treason. In 1659, the royalist Anglican theologian Thomas Sprat made his witty and literary reputation with his satirical poem to the happy memory of the most renowned Prince Oliver, Lord Protector, clearly mocking Cromwell's legal status. In Mary Shelley's novel The Last Man, 21st-century England is a republic, which elects a Lord Protector as the head of state and head of government every 3 years. In Orson Scott Card's series of fantasy novels The Tales of Alvin Maker, set in an alternative early 19th-century America, England continues to be ruled by the Cromwells as Lords Protector, while the Stuarts rule the Crown colonies from Camelot. The references especially come into play in Heartfire, the 5th book in the series, where much of the story occurs in Camelot. Television. Alan starred on the final episode of UK sitcom The New Statesman, after winning the general election, proclaims himself Lord Protector of England with seemingly dictatorial powers. In the Star Trek Voyager episode Blink of an Eye, during which Voyager is trapped in orbit above a planet experiencing a rapid passage of time. The first attempt shown by the people to contact Voyager was made during the planet's medieval period by a Lord Protector. By the end of the episode, the planet's technologically advanced society was governed by the Central Protectorate, hinting that the planet's head of state was still called Lord Protector. In Stargate Atlantis, the Lord Protector is a human from a planet in the Pegasus galaxy who is the de facto ruler due to possessing the ATA gene and thus being able to operate the ancient control chair. Video games. In the Microprose video game Sid Meier's Civilization II, the term Lord Protector is applied to the leader of the English civilization under the fundamentalism type of government. In Europa Universalis 3 by Paradox Interactive, Lord-Lady Protector is applied to a country's head of state under the republican dictatorship form of government, the first natural occurrence being Oliver Cromwell's formation of the Commonwealth of England, Scotland and Ireland. In Dishonored by Arcan Studios, the protagonist, Corvo Attano, is the Lord Protector, a title given to the royal bodyguard within the game's setting before having the title removed for a crime he did not commit. Rendering other temporarily acting monarchic head of state, the title is still in use in some constitutional monarchies and designates the acting head of state while the monarch is abroad. Denmark. In Denmark, when the present queen is abroad, the heir apparent Frederik, Crown Prince of Denmark, is regent. If the heir apparent is also abroad, the Lord Protector is either Prince Joachim of Denmark or Princess Benedict of Denmark, Sweden. In Sweden, per the instrument of government in the constitution, when the present king is abroad, the next in the line of succession becomes Lord Protector, Crown Princess Victoria, Duchess of Varkarency Sturga Paragraphed Land, Prince Carl Philip, Duke of Varkarency Rmland, Princess Madeline, Duchess of Harkarency Helsingland and Garkarency Strickland. Notes, AB Traveland Mans Skalstyre Droningens Rige, Chapter 3, Section 5, Sources and References. This article incorporates text from a publication now in the public domain, Chisholm, Hugh, ed. Encyclopædia Britannica. Cambridge University Press, United Kingdom at worldstatesman.org.